Hey, my name is Dr. Hakan. I'm 53 years old and I come from Sweden. I've been working in powertrain development for more than 25 years for several world-famous companies such as Volvo Cars, AVL, and also GD Powertrain. So I'm responsible for propulsion hardware and system development, and my main responsibility is to make sure we are having the right system and requirements to meet the customer expectations. Infomotion Technology is a very agile and innovative company, and I think we have a lot of benefits over our competition. We are small enough to be fast and agile, innovative, and we're large enough to have our own factory and have the best quality of products. I think there are many things to be proud of in Infomotion. We built a company in a very, very fast time. So in 3 years' time, we built this fantastic factory and also this building that you're seeing now. Among our products, we put first on the market was L300, but I think I get a lot of attention to currently when I present the L401 and the L402 on the European market. So it's up to 12 functions integrated into one EDU, and this is quite unique. Our competitors are talking about this, but they're not doing it yet. So this is a quite important product for us. The main advantage is that we are able, because we have full vertical integration, we do both the hardware and the software in-house, we can integrate so many different functions. So together with the OEM, we can decide which of these functions should go into the electric drive unit, and then we make this a very fast implementation of their needs. I think in engineering, life is always tough. There's a lot of things that need to be done. Requirements always get harder. It should be lighter, faster, cheaper. So everything is tough like that. But this is something which is a challenge we use. As I mentioned, we're a small and agile company, and we are based on very experienced people. So we have the knowledge to do this, and we're also working very hard, being innovative, and together as a team in both Sweden and China, we can deliver these products very quickly. The market for electric vehicles is growing every year, and we are well equipped to meet the requirements of the customer. We are seen as coming just out of being an OEM ourselves, which means we know the challenges that they are facing. And we are now a tier 1 supplier, which means we know what they need and at the speed they need it. I think we're well equipped. Yeah, I think Infomotion has a unique capability now because we are already on the European market. We have sold to customers, and we have the team in Sweden, which are well equipped to talk to the European customers in English, which is not their native language either. We understand their culture, and at the same time, we can deliver to them with Chinese speed and Chinese prices and the highest quality on the market. So this is a unique situation we have. I think we have very good chances for the future. So as we know, electrification is growing very fast, and that is one of the aspects that drove me into moving into electrification. I have more than 25 years experience working on combustion engines and hybrids. And for me, what's interesting now is that we're looking at developing e-machines, inverters in a pace which is not seen before. And this is quite interesting. So there will be a lot of new inventions, but I cannot tell you right now what these inventions are. But I can assure you we are working on them. Yes, I've been working with Chinese teams for more than 9 years now, which has given me a lot of insights into the similarities and also the differences working in those teams. In Sweden, everybody's very independent and used to taking own responsibility and are allowed to do that. In China, it's very important to build a personal relationship with everyone you're working with. And this is something I've learned over the years, to build a personal relationship. This is also why I'm coming to China, to meet people and to make this personal relationship and to be able to work together more efficiently in the future. Swedish engineering has a very long tradition, all the way from cannons and dynamite to fighter jets, ball bearings, cars, trucks. All of these things are very strong in Swedish society. The typical Swedish person is very pragmatic and very practical. So we fix things at home on our own. We fix our own cars. We change tires in the wintertime, etc. So I think bringing this hands-on experience into our daily work as engineers is something which is making our products very efficient and very likable. Okay, fika means having a coffee together with a colleague or friend, and you discuss anything from life in general to work topics. It's our way to getting to know each other in a better way. It's very central in Swedish society. Everybody knows about fika, everybody goes to fika. Also, the bosses have to go to fika. And in a way, this is like a miniature team building event. So I would like to wish you a happy Chinese New Year and to get some time with your near and dear ones. Xing Ling Kuai Le.